Yeah, that's my number one trick. Got mine. It always got my back. Got mine. With me and my babe broke up. Got mine. She beat a chick up on fire. Got mine. Don't let her get turned.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Double M Takeover. It is Maddie here, or whatever, and I know you guys read the title of this video before you clicked on it, so I finally made the video after so many people requested this video. So many people have been asking me, how do you get your hair slick? What do you do? Does it take a long time? Do you straighten your hair first? Do you blow dry your hair first? What products do you use? Blah 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 blah. Everybody's been asking me. I always get this question, a lot of questions, and they're all answered in this video. So I had to record my video and my intro separate because like I didn't want to introduce y'all looking crazy as shit, because last night I was looking crazy. So if you want to know how I got my hair this slick and this bomb, then just stay tuned and keep watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, turn on your post notification, and also subscribe. Don't forget to follow me and Shell on Instagram. Y'all can follow me on Twitter too. I'll link all that stuff in the description box. Any questions you have, feel free to DM me. You can always you can always comment on here. Comment more video ideas. Sorry, me and Shell have been gone for so long. We barely recorded any videos this summer, but we do have a vlog coming out from my trip. Just stay tuned for more stuff. I promise y'all I'm gonna be coming back with videos, and I really appreciate you guys for watching our videos and all that stuff like that. But real quick, I'm just gonna tell you guys where this hair is actually from. This hair is from Beauty Forever. I've had this hair for about a year now. I've been made it into a ponytail. Honestly, y'all, the hair was way longer before when I was using it as a ponytail. It's just now like starting to get like shorter or whatever, but whatever. And the curl pattern is definitely changing. I don't really know why though, because like I haven't straightened this hair or nothing like that, but like the texture of the hair is definitely way looser. This was their kinky curly, and that's like way looser than like kinky curly. So I don't know why it's so wavy, but it still matches my hair texture. When it's like straight like this, you can't really tell, but my hair is definitely way curlier than this, my real hair. So yeah, that's that. But I hope you guys will enjoy the video, so just stay tuned. Yes, warning, I look a hot mess, but I do it all for YouTube. So I mean, if I'm comfortable being a mess on here, then I could walk outside looking a mess. So no matter, okay? So yeah, stay tuned. I'm in the process of putting on this mask. It's the Freeman Pore Cleansing Peel Off Mask. It's actually for men, but like, what the fuck is in it that's strictly for men? I don't understand. So I'm putting it on my face. Okay. So I'm putting this on my face so that I can't move my face while I'm talking. While I'm recording. I won't be making no dumb faces, and I like the video. You feel me? So I just finished applying the mask to my face or whatever. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is actually get into the real part of this video, which is how I slick back my natural hair. So I'm doing this on freshly washed hair to show y'all that like you don't have to blow dry your hair or you know, stretch your hair a whole bunch for you to get like a really nice slick back. I can't believe I'm letting y'all see me like this. What I'm gonna do is put my curling smoothie on there or whatever, and I'm also gonna use my leave-in conditioner. Can y'all even see? Yeah, there you go. Screenshot. I use this and this, and it just like moisturizes my hair. And then I'm gonna use oil as well for my edges and like to, you know, slick it. I'm gonna use Eben. This is the best one. Screenshot it. And then I'm going to use Eco Styler, the green one. I don't know, the green one is the best one, period. That's all I'm saying. Then I just put oil in my hair, and this is like black ash oil. This is like not even real oil, y'all. It's just like the cheap shit. I just needed some oil. So yeah, I'm about to put that through my hair now while it's kind of wet or whatever, and then I'm going to part my hair and then try and like, you know, get it slick back. My process for how I get my hair really slick is to just keep combing it and brushing it and putting it rubber and putting more product on it and slicking it down as I'm doing it. So I'm gonna like not really try to talk a lot through this video or whatever, because that makes it longer and like harder to explain. So you just kind of really have to watch what I do and how I get it slick. But like the gist of it is literally just to keep combing it, brushing it out, putting it in a ponytail, putting product on top of that, and then slicking that down with the product on it. So it's like hard to explain, so I have to show y'all and then I guess try to explain at the same time. I don't know. I really look crazy. Like, I can't believe I'm actually recording a video with this mask on my face and my hair looking like this. So what I'm about to do is just part my hair down the middle real quick. Real 1 2 1 2. And then I just take some leave-in conditioner and rub it on my hair. And I'm gonna use my little fake dimming brush to brush out my hair. It's like it take my hair like three washes at the most for my curls to like get their life together after like any form of heat. Like it doesn't even matter if I don't even really blow dry it. Any form of heat, it takes my hair a cool 3 washes to get itself together like this. I try not to get any of this product really on my edges for multiple reasons. One of the main reasons is because my edges, when there's like too much product on it, they don't lay as slick as they can possibly lay. So I try not to put too much product on them. I'm about to put oil on my rubber band that I'm going to be putting in my hair. This is how you stop breakage. I'm not really going to be talking much throughout this video. Like I said, I'm just going to be listening to music and showing y'all how I do my hair. But right now, real quick, I'm about to take this shirt and like wrap my hair in it so I can kind of get rid of the excess stuff. Prep my hair for me to be able to slick it back. So I can't do this part in the mirror, in the camera. I have to do it in the mirror and then I'll show y'all because it takes me forever to get a good middle. So okay, I finally found the middle and it actually didn't take me that long, but that's probably because I've been wearing my hair in the middle part for the longest. I'm about to turn some music on and I'm about to speed up how I slick my hair back, but basically y'all can just see and watch how I do it. So we're about to start the slick back process. Quick tip though, if you did just start on washed hair and your hair is still wet, when you apply the don't apply it to like really wet hair because it's literally just gonna like slip off. Like I don't know how to explain it. It just sticks better to drier hair. So don't apply it wet to really wet hair. So I dry my edges literally, like I'm literally drying them. So it's not super duper wet when I go to apply it. If that makes sense. But eco styling, cool. You can do all that. Eco styling is just gel, doesn't matter. That's just a quick tip if you're having trouble laying your hair down.
And look me in my eyes as I get between the thighs all night. I'll get you high, girl, and I'ma give your body what it wants. Look back at it, back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back at it, pull them panties to the side, girl, and look me in my eyes as I get between the thighs all night.
I don't do lumps in my ponytails at all. Like I cannot stand when people be walking around with like lumps in their ponytails. I hate it. Like it can get flat, sis. It can get flat. Just flatten it out.
Oh my girls, oh my girls, oh my girls, oh my girls.
Pull them panties to the side, girl, and look eyes as I get between them thighs all night. I'll get you high, girl, and I'ma give your body what it wants. Look back at it, back at it, look 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 back at it,
Yes, I use a lot of gel.
And look me in my eyes as I get between them thighs all night. I'll get you high, girl, and I'ma give your body what it wants. Look back at it, 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 look back at it,
This is the final look, y'all. I got dressed for class. I have class at 2, so I gotta hurry up. But yes, thank you guys for watching, and again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment more video ideas, comment more things that you want to see me and Shell do in the future. If you guys want to collab, also comment that stuff down below. So yeah, don't forget to follow us on our social medias to keep up with the besties. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope I really did help you guys. I didn't really talk much. I tried to speed it up a little bit simply because I really did not know how I wanted to record this video. I recorded this video twice, and the first time I hated it, so I thought maybe I'd like it better sped up. So I hope I helped you guys. If you have any questions though, you can always ask and I'll always answer, okay? But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more.